In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and use your referral code or link on Trading 212. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. This is very easy and it will let you claim free money or free shares just by inviting your friends, and they will also get this free money. You just need to go to this icon right here and then go to get a reward. Once you click here, you will see the offer where you will get free shares worth up to 100 euros for each friend you invite to the platform. This offer is not always available. As you can see, there is some time left right here, and we can just copy our link and send this link to any friend. Whenever they click this, they will need to create an account, verify their identity using their ID, and make a deposit of at least 10 euros. You should see their pending invites right here, and all these steps they are missing right here. And if you want to see more terms or more details about this offer, you can go right here, and for example we can see the probability. You will get from 8 to 100 euros, and from my personal experience you will get around 20 or 30 euros per invite. So this is very easy. You just need to share your link and you will get a free share, and they will get a share as well. I will leave my referral link in the description below so you can use it and get a reward as well. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.